Okay, in today's video, we will learn how to delete or kill a process running in background. Okay, in window using CMD. Okay, using command prompt. Let's see how we can do that. First, let's run a application in background. Okay, that is keylogger in my case. I run this. Okay, this program is running in background. So let's see how to check it. First, to check it, just type task list. Okay, and then hit enter. Then you will see this is py.exe, python.exe. Okay, now I want to kill this process. Okay, you can check here, this one. Okay, python is running in background. So how to kill them? Just type vmic, WIC, vmic, then hit enter. Okay, then you will see the vmic root. Now type process where name equal to name of process. Okay, that is py.exe, py.exe, py.exe. Now delete. Okay, use this command to delete this program. You can see this is my program running in background. Okay, now hit enter. Okay, hit enter. Process where name equal to py.exe. Okay, now delete, then hit enter. Okay, invalid. Okay, first type process. Let's check how many process running in the background. Okay, first type process, then hit enter. Let's see what are the processes. Okay, you can see there are lots of processes running in the background. You can see this one, python w. Okay, now I want to delete this process. Okay, just wait a minute. Process, Okay, process where name equal to py.exe space delete, then hit enter. Okay, now this will asking for the yes or no. Okay, in my case I'm handling 9536, this process running in background. Now I want to delete it, just type yes, then hit enter. Then you can see instance deletion successful, and you can see here no, no program is execution in background. Okay, so now you can check with the help of, okay, first exit from the vmic, exit. Now type here task list. Okay, then hit enter. Then you can see, okay, one more process is going on, so let's delete that one. Okay, again, now type wmic wmic, type again wmic, and then hit enter. Okay, now type process where name equal to, name is this one. Okay, python.exe, just copy this process and paste here, and then type delete. Okay, then hit enter. Or you want to delete it? Yes, type yes, then deletion completion. Now exit from this. Okay, now type task list again, task list, then hit enter. Now no python program is running here. Okay, so you can see no processes related to python. Okay, whatever you want to delete or kill any process, just use, okay, vmic, this command vmic process where name equal to, where name equal to, okay, where name equal to, where name equal to name of process. Okay, type name of process and then delete. Okay, then hit enter. It automatically delete the that process. Okay, thanks for watching.